Are you the one experienced the emotion of chasing someone even thought the feelings are not mutual? Everyone around you knows that you are living in a fantasy, but you do not believe anyone and chase someone in search of hope. In the video, we will give you reality checks and tell you about the dark side of chasing someone. While you may believe that chasing someone has no consequence, we will show you the destruction impacts it can have on your life. Don't worry about anything. We will also give you some practical tips to overcome an emotion that harmful to your Mac. To watch to the end if you new subscriber for more physiology videos. Let's start. Number 1, time waste. When you chase someone, you can spend hours trying to win their love. However, the struggle often and the disappointment and uncomfortable tension, leaving you unable to focus on your goal. Spend hours waiting for message and call from the person who you are more likely to end up hurt most of the time. For example, let's say you like someone and start chasing them. You spend 3 hours starting them on social media before messaging them and waiting for a reply. In the extreme case, you might wait until the morning for a response. As a result, you may late for work, have trouble focus and feel sleepy all the time. Number 2, false expectation. False expectation and hopes can make you feel worse. The problem is that you are chasing someone in the hope of a better future, expecting that one day someone special will be your, but you are only waste your time and energy on a false expectation. You create a beautiful image in your mind and assign tasks to everyone according to your heart desire, but in reality people often do not meet you expectation. Leaving you heart chasing someone means being involved in a one-sided attraction but your ego may not accept. Number 3, thrill of a chase. It is possible to experience a thrill when chasing someone who is not interested in you, but it is not a healthy or approach thrill to see. In fact, it can be harmful to both of the chasing someone who has clear communicating desired interest or boundaries can lead to feeling of frustrating rejection and over harassment. Additionally, it can damage a relationship between you two and create a uncomfortable or even hostile environment. Seeking a thrill by chasing someone who is not interested is not only disrespected and potentially harmful. Number 4, self-esteem. When you chase someone, you may feel good instantly, and it may seem like you are building positive self-esteem. You may think that your self-esteem cup is being filled by chasing someone you love, but in reality, your self-esteem cup has hole in it, and the end you may be left with the empty cup. That hole can be filled by action, comparison, and dependency, and feeling that you are chasing someone with has not choose you can shatter your confidence. Additionally, when we chasing someone, you may be seeking that constant and approval that person you are chasing does not approach of something. You can feel disappointment. For example, if you are chasing someone who loves tall girls but you are short,